In Provence, life moves to the rhythm of the land. My goal this trip is to slow down and absorb the essence of Provence. Together, we'll search out the quintessential Provençal experience in picturesque villages, lively markets, and on the country roads. The heart of Provence is the land. Sun-drenched fields, cragged mountain ranges, a sea of flowers. The scenery gets under your skin, into your soul. Growing out of the countryside are the villages. Many are perched high on hilltops. Some throw in a ruined castle for extra romance. In many ways, life in these villages goes on as it has for centuries. My tip for exploring Provence is to find a central base and make short trips to the villages, cities, and countryside. To plan your trip, arm yourself with picture books and a Michelin guide and map. The opportunities are endless.